What's going on, Well Squad? My name is EJ and I teach e-commerce within the Well Squad. What I want to go over today is how you can use AI to generate a model for your clothing brand and then turn around and create an AI generated video, which then you can use for content to promote your brand. So the first thing we want to do before we actually even generate that AI model is give it a strong enough prompt so that we create a good enough model. So I'm going to be using Claude AI for that. And what I'm going to tell Claude AI is basically to give me some guidelines and a prompt that we can use in Midjourney to actually generate that model. So this is the prompt that I have. And it says, create an AI image prompt that will generate a realistic, fashionable black male streetwear model for my brand. Please make sure the image is a full body pose, is a straight on shot, and he has on an undershirt. He will be modeling one of my shirts later on. So when it comes to using these AI models, the magic is really in the prompting. So you want to make sure that you're as specific as possible when it comes to prompting so you can get a good enough output. So let's see what it gives us. Okay, so I'm just going to take this prompt that it generated for us and I'm going to copy it. Now I'm going to come to Midjourney. Midjourney is where you can generate AI images, you can generate models, designs, different things like that. So I'm just going to paste that prompt into Midjourney. And then I'm going to hit enter and see what it comes up with. Okay, so we just got to wait for the AI model to be generated. Okay, so this is what it came up with. All right. And this looks like a good enough model right here. So I'm just going to go with this first image, but there's other images as well too. This is actually a cool one too. And then we have these other two. Okay, so now what we want to do is we want to actually upscale this model right here, because when we're generating this AI video, we want it to be as high quality as possible and look realistic as possible. So I'm going to come down here and I'm going to click on upscale and I'm going to select subtle. So now we just got to wait for the picture to be upscaled and it takes some time for it to do that. Okay, cool. So now we have this upscale image that we can use. So I'm just going to download this image right here. All right, so now that we have our model, we need to actually put the shirt that he's going to model for us on. Okay, so this is going to be the shirt that he's actually modeling right here, this Well Squad oversized shirt, and we're going to go with the orange one. So what I need to do is I need to take an image of this orange shirt, but I need to remove the background from it so I can then put it on the model. So I'm going to come here and then upload the image and remove the background. So I'm going to click download. Okay, so I can come to CapCut and I could upscale that image that has no background in it to make it look more high quality so we can put it on our model. Let's do 4K. So I'm going to click upscale and wait for it to generate. Okay, so look at the difference. This is the original. This is when it's upscaled. So it's a big quality difference, right? So now we have our model and we have our shirt. Last thing we're going to do is come to Kling AI, and now we're going to create the actual AI video. So we're going to come to the left-hand side, click on AI videos, and we're going to click image to video, and we're going to click elements. What elements allows you to do is upload multiple images and then create an AI video based off of those elements interacting with each other. Okay, so now I'm going to come and I'm going to upload those two images of the model and of the shirt. Okay, so now we have two images and we need to give it a prompt, and the prompt is basically stating how are these two elements interacting with each other. Okay, so the prompt that we're going to use is just going to be model doing a photo shoot styling an orange shirt. Then we're going to come here and click generate, and it's going to take about 10 minutes for it to actually generate. Okay, so this is the actual video that was generated and it looks pretty cool. So he's doing a photo shoot and he's styling our oversized shirt. And just to be transparent, all the AI videos you generate using this model are not going to come out clean and smooth. So you may have to adjust your prompt and you also may have to regenerate the video. Okay, so now we can take this video and we can download it and we can upscale the video so it looks more high quality, it looks more realistic. All right, so the upscaling is complete. Let's see what we got. Okay, so this looks pretty cool. So now what we can do is we can take this video and download it and add some further edits to it to make a full complete video. I'm not going to do that in this tutorial, but you can take something like this and run with it. Add some sounds, add some effects, different things like that. So we're just in the beginning stages of using AI to enhance our brands. So these models will only get better over time. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hopefully you guys found this educational and informative enough. You can catch me in the Wealth Squad under the e-commerce section. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys for the next video.